had a dream come true? Well, I did. I have my own YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to Gacha JAM. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It's called Gacha JAM, where I write exciting scripts and create mind-blowing animations. Mind-blowing animations that I use to encourage. I know I can! I know I can! I know I can! Educate. Remember to use a clean rag or washcloth when you and entertain. It's so much fun, but it didn't start out like this. At first, my parents said no when I asked if I could have a YouTube channel. After a long time, they said, if you can find a way to make a YouTube channel without showing your face, we will let you do it. So when we went on summer holidays, my brother and I decided to take a chance to make our own YouTube channel. Especially after we realized that our friend It's Gaming with Kaylin had already started her own YouTube channel. She had ideas similar to ours. I made my first videos but deleted them. But somehow I got the courage to make new ones and sent them to my parents, who were so amazed that they didn't even believe that I made them. Take a look at one of my first videos. Once my parents realized that I actually made the videos, they asked me not to post them and promised that I could get my own YouTube channel once I got home. So my parents helped my brother to start Minecraft X Gaming, and I started Gacha JAM, Gacha Club, and Gacha Life, which are used to make the characters on Gacha JAM, are actually games. Games which require us to learn math to get higher levels. The higher you get, the more diamonds you earn. You can use the diamonds to buy more items, which can be used to make better videos. I started out using my tablet to take screenshots of the characters and scenes I created and compiled them using YouTube Video Editor. I soon graduated to learning about OpenShot Video Editor and Inkscape. I also incorporated what I knew about coding 3D animation using Tinkercad and Scratch. Come on guys, let's take a group photo. Remember physical distance. On stage we have Layla, Sabrina, Lemo, Chinese on drums, Ellie, our DJ Jade, and yours truly, Dan. If you are in bed, turn on your belly, then cover your neck and head. I know I can, I know I will, so confident. I could not have done this on my own. I have the support of my parents and my brother Minecraft X Gaming, who collaborates with me on many of my voice acting videos. I also have the support of my subscribers who watch my videos and give me feedback. It is my goal to reach people all around the world with messages of encouragement, to inspire, educate, and to entertain. You can help me to reach that goal by subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, sharing them, liking them, by giving a big thumbs up. I started my own YouTube channel, and you can too. If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next episode. Bye!